You are not buying shawarma from outside today. You will make it right in the comfort of your home after watching this video. So get your dried spices, all these ones that I have listed on the screen, add them into a bowl. Go in with some yogurt. The yogurt here is going to help tenderize the beef or chicken. I'm using beef. Go in with the beef, swirl this in properly, make sure it is properly coated. Cover and allow this to marinate for as long as you have time. So while that is marinating, get your hot dog or sausage if you're using any. Spray your pan very lightly, go in with the hot dog and toast for a few minutes until it begins to turn brown, just like this. Add a bit more oil to the pan if necessary, and then go in with the beef. In case you're wondering, I'm using the beef skirt cut. I've added some butter, and you can see I'm treating this more like a steak. And it is because this method will allow for a juicier and tender beef. Do this for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how thick your cut is. Now, the secret to a good shawarma is in the filling or the sauce. It has to be juicy, flavorful, and slightly spicy. I've gone in with some mayonnaise, ketchup, a little bit of lemon juice, soya pepper, and sweet chili. Did I mention that you should let the beef rest for at least 5 minutes before you cut into it? That way, all the juice is retained in there. Now cut them up into strips or chunks. I really wanted to show you guys how juicy this steak was. Look at that. Juicy and delicious. Don't ask me where that one went to. So I'm going to cut them up into small chunks like this and set aside. To assemble, go in with a cut up beef into a large bowl, some grated carrot, some cabbage and onion. See, 2 things. Add it or don't add it, but trust me, you'll like it. You may not even notice that there's onion in it. Now add some of that shawarma cream, mix everything well, and the filling is ready. Now get your shawarma bread, nice and soft. See, I have gist for you people regarding this my shawarma bread. I'll tell you in my next post. Anyway, open it up gently like this. You have 2 now. Now place it like this. Go in with the filling, add your sausage, and wrap it gently and carefully, just like this. Do it tightly anyway, so it doesn't leak or anything. And your shawarma is almost ready. To seal that open end area, place it on a hot pan and give it a few minutes, turn it in between, and you guys, this is it. Your shawarma is ready. Next, cut it open, enjoy with any chilled drink of your choice. And this is how you make Nigerian shawarma. Will you be making this at home? Let me know in the comments. See you in my next video. Bye.